In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can switch to the back camera when recording a video note on Instagram. You can simply change to the back camera while taking a video note on Instagram in just few simple steps. To do this, head into your Instagram message section. Then tap on Notes right here. To record a video note, just tap on the camera icon. It will access your selfie camera. To change to the back camera of your phone, just double-click into the circle and you will access the back camera. To get the front camera, still double-click into the recording space. That's how easy it is to switch to the back camera when recording video notes on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.